In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use class tracking in QuickBooks Online, QBO Plus Plan tutorial. Class tracking is a powerful way to tag your transactions so you can see how different parts of your business are performing. Think of classes as labels for departments, locations, product lines, events, or any internal category you want to analyze. This feature is available on the Plus plan, and it's especially helpful if you want to break out income and expenses without managing separate company files. To get started, you'll first need to enable classes in your settings. Turning this on is a one-time setup that unlocks class options throughout your account. If you want a walkthrough of the exact clicks, check out our other video dedicated to enabling class tracking. For now, just make sure the feature is switched on in your settings so it's available when you record activity. Once class tracking is enabled, you'll see a new drop-down appear whenever you create a new transaction or edit an existing one. This shows up on common forms like invoices, sales receipts, expenses, checks, bills, vendor credits, and journal entries. All you need to do is choose the class that best describes that transaction. If you've already started using class names that make sense for your business, this step is quick and keeps your books clean and consistent. A helpful tip is to keep your class names simple and descriptive, so anyone on your team can pick the right one at a glance. As you add classes to your transactions, you build a richer dataset that pays off when you review your books. With classes in place, you can now sort through your lists of transactions using class as another way to organize and review activity. This extra layer makes it easier to focus on a particular program or segment without digging through unrelated items. It also makes your reporting more insightful because you'll be able to filter and analyze by class to understand where you're earning, where you're spending, and how each part of the business contributes to the whole. That's really the workflow. Enable classes. Choose a class each time you enter or edit a transaction, and then use those classes to review and sort your activity. Start by applying classes consistently going forward, and as time allows, update key past transactions to round out your view. If you need help turning the feature on, be sure to watch our companion video on enabling classes and settings. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with class tracking in QuickBooks Online.